Fun and interesting facts and trivia on YouTube. Channel 50.
Number 10. McDonald's once made bubblegum flavored broccoli. This interesting fact will have your taste buds crawling. Unsurprisingly, the attempt to get kids to eat healthier didn't go over well with the child testers, who were confused by the taste. Will you want one? Number 9. Some fungi create zombies, then control their minds. The tropical fungus Ophiocordyceps infects ants' central nervous systems. By the time the fungi been in the insect bodies for 9 days, they have complete control over the host's movements. They force the ants to climb trees, then convulse and fall into the cool, moist soil below, where fungi thrive. Once there, the fungus waits until exactly solar noon to force the ant to bite a leaf and kill it. Number 8. The first oranges weren't orange. The original oranges from Southeast Asia were tangerine pomelo hybrid, and they were actually green. In fact, oranges in warmer regions like Vietnam and Thailand still stay green through maturity. Hit the like and subscribe for more 50s. Don't forget to click on the notification bell for updates. Number 7. There's only one letter that doesn't appear in any US state name. Can you guess the answer to this random fact? You'll find a Z in Arizona, a J in New Jersey, and even 2 X's in New Mexico and Texas, but not a single Q. Number 6. A cow-bison hybrid is called a beefalo. You can even buy its meat in at least 21 states. Have you eaten one? Number 5. Johnny Appleseed's fruits weren't for eating. Yes, there was a real John Chapman who planted thousands of apple trees on US soil. But the apples on those trees were much more bitter than the ones you'd find in the supermarket today. Johnny Appleseed didn't expect his fruits to be eaten whole, but rather made into hard apple cider. Number 4. Scotland has 421 words for snow. Yes, 421. That's too many fun facts about snow. Some of them are sneezel, or to start raining or snowing; feefle, meaning to swirl; flink-drinkin', or a light snow. Number 3. Samsung tests phone's durability with a butt-shaped robot. Do these interesting facts have you rethinking everything? People stash their phones in their back pockets all the time, which is why Samsung created a robot that is shaped like a butt, and yes, even wears jeans, to sit on their phones to make sure they can take the pressure. Number 2. The Windy City name has nothing to do with Chicago weather. Was this one of the random facts you already knew? Chicago's nickname was coined by 19th century journalists who were referring to the fact that its residents were windbags and full of hot air. Number 1. Peanuts aren't technically nuts. Peanuts are legumes. According to Merriam-Webster, a nut is only a nut if it's a hard-shelled dry fruit or seed with a separable rind or shell and interior kernel. That means walnuts, almonds, cashews, and pistachios aren't nuts either. They're seeds.
Fun and interesting facts and trivia on YouTube. Channel 50.